Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today for Cardano, we are going to see some beautiful stuff. If you want, just hold on throughout the video, but if you are in a rush, go to the price analysis. We will be seeing there are some very beautiful stuff. I have the link in the description for the Telegram group chat if you want to join in, and you can hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. It helps so much with the daily updates, and thank you so much for the support. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's dive right now into the technical analysis quickly for ADA USDT. Right now 2.94, we stopped at exactly the minus 0.5 around there, guys, and we couldn't close above. We just correct a little bit, nothing important yet. It is holding so good, not biased information, guys, for Cardano, just what I'm seeing, and I always want to be honest with you, just what I see in the video is that we are holding great. The next target is the 3 Tether USD, and we have one more at 3.14. Okay, 3.14 to 3.15 around there, Tether USD. So you can see that we are holding very good. In case we wanted to find some major support levels, for example, I would draw actually the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here, ending up to this top. And you can see we have some important support levels right here that we need to hold. First of all, this one right here, 2.80, we went a little bit down from the 0.236, which was at around 2.87, and we have one more 2.75. Right, so we need to hold these support levels, and especially the 2.70. Nothing important for Cardano, and we would love to see a very healthy correction going a little bit further down so we can buy some more, right? We would all love to see that, because right now it keeps going and going on and on. It does not reveal any bearish signals for now. The MACD as well is good. We surpassed the previous high right here. We wanted to surpass, and now we might be seeing a bearish cross. Nothing important right there. Do not worry about this bearish cross. It is very healthy on a normal market and on impulsive waves to see a MACD bearish cross, and then we just go up again. All good, all fine. Sometimes we need to cool off a little bit. Do not worry. Let's go right now to the 4-hour frame. You can see we just ride the 20-day EMA from here starting on 19th August, and now we want to see eventually maybe if the 20-day EMA reaches the price. We need to wait till the 20-day EMA reaches eventually the price for Cardano. Okay, so you can see that the stochastic RSI was in an overbought. That's what we are looking for on the 4-hour frame. For impulsive waves, we are looking always the stochastic RSI. If it is in an overbought or in an overshoot. If it goes in an overshoot, then we will rebuy Cardano, because it will keep going up, in my opinion, right now. Okay, so you can see the commodity channel index is fine. This is a pattern of an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. When we have higher lows on the commodity channel index, a pattern like this following, it is a very good indicator to tell us that we continue the impulsive wave. Same here for the RSI. We need a pattern like this going on and on. So yes, this confirms that we are going all the way upwards for Cardano. Okay, so right now let's go a little bit to the daily frame to see some important things. You can see here on the daily frame, we are not in an overbought according to the stochastic RSI. We are, though, according to the RSI, the commodity channel index. As we are going upwards, the cat is smiling, of course, but at the same time, the cat is a little bit skeptical, okay? Because if I just delete this and just have a mouth like that, then the cat will be a little bit skeptical, because we just want to take profits, not only to just trade and get in and of course wait. You want to take profit. If you want to trade it, if you want to invest it for the long term, then do not worry about that. You can do it. I believe Cardano will be going pretty fine, and will be doing pretty fine. Will be going higher and higher. Okay, so do not worry about that. But for now, just do not be greedy. Okay, do not be greedy and take some profits. As we are keep going upwards, you do not know when we will have an overbought situation. Okay, for the time being, we are holding good. Let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid. We don't have a selling opportunity yet for Cardano. You can see that we had a buying opportunity here, not to short our position yet, and the Bollinger Bands right there. You can see we just ride the top line of the Bollinger Bands. That means we are in an impulsive wave on the daily frame. All right, so let's go to IDA Bitcoin chart. You can see that we stopped around minus 0.618, this price level right here. We couldn't close above. We have a minor correction right here going on. Do not worry about that. ADA still outperforms Bitcoin. I won't stay here very much, just a healthy correction because the stochastic RSI was in an overbought situation right there. Okay, so the stochastic RSI was in an overbought, commodity channel index was in an overbought as well. Now it's going down, RSI the same. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame and on the weekly frame. On the daily frame, nothing much to discuss except that the stochastic RSI here sits in an overbought situation for quite some time right now. Yes, we have a very high risk right now for Cardano, but at the same time, we do not have any bearish RSI divergence for it. Okay, so we do not hold any bearish RSI divergence, and we do not hold any bearish commodity channel index divergence. We don't have a term for that, or maybe we do, but this is what I call it. Okay, it sometimes follows the RSI, sometimes not, but anyway guys, just a small correction right here coming for ADA Bitcoin chart. And on the weekly frame, as you can see, we have to be careful for the reason that we are about to go into an overbought situation in the weekly frame. So yes, take the profits. Yes, Cardano is going good, it's doing great. We have room to grow, but at the same time, please be careful, because as you can see now, the RSI is above the 70, commodity channel index is above the 100 on the weekly frame. And this is very important to take some profits, not to be greedy. And of course, guys, you need to take them before it is too late. So let's go to ADA USDT chart in case you trade, that is before. So let's go guys to ADA USDT chart. You will see something that I really like. So we stopped at 2.94. We even went above the 2.75. Okay, and if I had, let's say that I was here at this time, 20 August, and I want to find by what time will it reach the 22.75, not only if it will reach, but at what time maybe it will reach the 2.75. And what I would do is that I would want to find some strong two bottom points and one high, and I would look at the chart and see these two bottom points and this high right here. So I would get my SSL Fibonacci channel, sorry, I would draw from here to here, the bottom, and to the top. Okay, and to the top. And you can see here that by the time we reach the 1.382, reach the minus 0.236 was around here. Okay, was around here. So I would say that maybe we had to go to 2.75 on 23rd August. And now you can see that the 1.618 hit the target right here, the minus 0.5, it was around there. So eventually we would suggest that maybe Cardano would go to 2.94 at around 24th August. Okay, around there, 24th. We went a little bit earlier at 23, but if you want to find some time when an altcoin will reach the top or a price target, then you can use the Fibonacci channel. It is amazing, sorry guys, because it contains the time. Okay, it contains the time as well. Fibonacci retracements do not have the time in their packets, do not contain the time, but the Fibonacci channel contains the time. That's why we have angles. That's why the Fibonacci channels right here, the 0.618, 1.618, 1.786, as you can see here, have an angle. Okay, it is like GANFAM, for example. Okay, that they contain the time, as we can find support and resistance levels against the time. Okay, so right now you can see that we would approach the 2.94 by the time we were on 24th August. At the same time, we should be approaching the 3 Tether USD on 24th August, today, around here. Okay, so yes, around this time right there, we should be approaching both the minus 0.236. As you can see, we should be approaching at 23rd August, and it happened. All right, so right now we are looking forward to the 3 Tether USD. We are looking forward to the 3.50. As we are going upwards, please be careful. I'm just going to be honest with you, and I don't want to be the classical moon boy that will tell you Cardano will go to 5 Tether USD by September. September will have the smart contracts. Of course, the news will be big, but after that, you should be careful. It might be going up till around late August till September, soon September, right there, around there, guys. But anyway, as we are going upwards, the risk is getting higher. The weekly frame, as you saw, against Bitcoin is getting higher. And of course, the risk on the weekly and on the daily frame is very, very important for the mid-long term. All right, so let's see a little bit Bitcoin chart now. We found support at the 20-day EMA. We couldn't close below the 0.236, the 49,100 for now for Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see that we found support level at the 20-day EMA. If I wanted more of a support level for Bitcoin, then I would go from this bottom right here up to this top. And you can see right now we are about to close, maybe not, at the 49,289, around there, 81, 89, and 91. And of course, we might be closing at 49,000, which is the 0.618. Do not worry for now. It doesn't seem like a correction that we should be worried for now. Stochastic RSI, although it got into an oversold situation right there, and the commodity channel index is dropping a little bit down. And of course, the cat here is skeptical around the Bitcoin, doesn't know where to look or what to look. I wanted here to look down, but anyway, you can see that Ethereum Bitcoin chart right there stands very, very strong. Although we have an overbought situation on the stochastic RSI, we want to see maybe if we can go and do something like this, guys. If we can use the brush right here and we want to go upwards, we want to surpass the previous high right here on the RSI. This will be very, very bullish, and we will be going against Bitcoin. That means Ethereum will hold its position great. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, also join the Telegram group chat, and of course I will see you soon with many more videos. Bye.